So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of TCL inverter AC in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees, take it. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button after that is mode. The mode button has 5 functions. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode on the remote. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in dry. Now the mode is in fan. Now the mode is in heat. Now the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you about the modes in detail in very simple words. In cool mode, all the buttons on the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in cool mode, the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat. So using the AC in dry removes that humidity. The next mode after that is fan mode. The AC will not cool in fan mode. It will just do cooling. The fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you only want to use the fan of AC, then you can use fan mode. The next mode is heat. Note that if your AC supports heat mode, then only you can use heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, then you cannot use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, then you can heat your room by using heat mode in cold weather. After that, if you press the mode button again, then auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own. After that, if you press the mode button again, the auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own. The next button is Eco. The Eco mode of TCL inverter air conditioner reduces power consumption by using less energy. This mode automatically adjusts the fan speed and temperature. It also helps in increasing the life of the AC by reducing the wear and tear on the compressor and other components. Use Eco mode when the outside temperature is not too high. Using this mode reduces power consumption and results in lower electricity bills. Benefits of Eco mode. It uses less compressor capacity than normal mode. It automatically adjusts the fan speed and temperature. It reduces the wear and tear on the compressor and other components. After that the next button is timer. By pressing the timer button, the timer off time is displayed. To turn off the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer off. In the timer, you can set the time from 1 hour to 24 hours. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically in 7 hours. So now I will set 7 hours with the temperature up and down buttons of the remote. Now I have set the time of timer off in the remote. Now the timer will be set by pressing the timer button once. With this button, you can only set timer off. If you want to cancel the timer, press the power button on the remote twice and the timer will be cancelled. The next button is display. By pressing the display button, the display of your AC will turn off but your AC will remain on. You can use this button only to turn off the light of the display of the AC. The next button is sleep. The sleep mode on TCL Air Conditioner AC automatically adjusts the temperature to create a comfortable sleeping environment. This mode increases the temperature by 1 degree Celsius every hour for a certain period. This mode adjusts the temperature to compensate for the natural drop in temperature at night. This ensures that the room does not become too cold and uncomfortable. This mode allows you to sleep without having to wake up to change the AC settings. This mode creates a cool, calm environment. This mode is intelligent and produces less noise. After that the next button is fan. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the fan speed is in auto. Right now the fan speed is in low. Right now the fan speed is in medium. Right now the fan speed is in high. You can control the speed of the fan according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then you can set the speed of the fan to high. The next button is horizontal swing. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing, by pressing this button, the swing of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing will start working automatically. The next button is vertical swing. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and you by pressing this button wherever you want to stop the swing flap, the swing flap of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing flap will start working automatically. The next function is mute. Using the mute function will slow down the fan speed of the indoor unit and the AC will run silently. The next button is health. The health function of TCL air conditioner uses vitamin C filter, UVC filter, and bipolar ionic generator. These filters and generators filter the air and kill bacteria and viruses. This improves indoor air quality. Benefits of health function of TCL air conditioner. The vitamin C filter prevents cough, cold, headache, and fatigue. The UVC filter eliminates airborne diseases. The bipolar ionic generator produces plasma, atoms, and oxidizing substances in the air, which kill bacteria and viruses. UVC sterilization prevents the growth of bacteria on the fan surface. The next button is iFeel. iFeel is a great feature designed for your comfort. Usually the sensor is present in the indoor unit itself, which senses the temperature around the indoor unit, not the temperature of the place where you are sitting. If iFeel function is provided in some models of TCL, then that model has two sensors. One sensor is installed in the indoor unit, and the other sensor is installed in the remote. The next button is clean. TCL inverter air conditioner has a self-clean function. This function cleans the indoor unit and purifies the air. This function performs frosting, defrosting, drying, and sterilizing. This function will automatically clean the indoor unit. During this process, the unit will show the progress from 1% to 99%. During this process, there may be a slight crackling sound due to contraction and expansion. The sound will stop after this process is completed. Benefits of this function. This function removes dust, dirt, and other impurities present in the air. This function achieves 99.99% sterilization rate for viruses and bacteria. This function keeps the air conditioner in optimal condition. This function maintains the purity of air in the house. The next button is iSet. On pressing the iSet button, you will see O in the remote. In the iSet function, you can save the settings of the remote according to your needs, so that if the settings of the remote change, you can bring back the settings that you had set in iSet using the iSet button. After that, the next button is turbo. Generally it happens that whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this, the room cools very quickly. If you have understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to the channel.